Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 virus and threat protection start actions. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Check Safeboot. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Open Program Data, Microsoft, Windows Defender. Scans folder, History folder. Delete all folders and files except Cache Manager. Right-click Start button, click Run, type msconfig. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.